Would be interesting to see what pace he'll bowl at. Found the gap beautifully, and that races away to the boundary again. That ball deserved a boundary. This must be hurting the captain. He needs his bowler to be more disciplined with his lines. Yeah, that's very close, very close. But the umpire says not out. And he decides not to take the review. Good bowling, it beats him all, ends up. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Four runs, plays into the gap fabulously. Now that's a good 50. It will be appreciated by the crowd. That's an amazing shot. Beautiful timing. The bowler is looking furious. Is a short ball coming? Good shot for a single. Looks like he couldn't judge the pace of the ball. He's lost this one completely. You really need to be on your toes at this level while fielding. That is glorious. Perfect timing and placement. That ball deserved a boundary. The crowd is enjoying every bit of this action. Hammered away for four. Good placement. Gorgeous shot. Found the middle of the bat there. Slim pickings at the moment. The batsmen need to up the gear a bit. Good shot for a single. He's growing in stature as well in this innings. Superb delivery, can't do much with that. Batsman losing his concentration there. Oh, that's good. Not good if you're a batsman. Four runs, plays into the gap fabulously. That's an amazing shot. Beautiful timing. He's too good a player not to take advantage of anything loose. Oh, that's hit him. Got into an awkward position there. Spin him back. I think that's a good move. Watch the ball closely and get in line at the ball. He's very lucky to get away with that one. That's skillful bowling. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Not a great ball, and that has been hammered. Terrific shot. That was a good ball and equally well played by the batsman. Magnificent striking from the batsman. That's high in the air. Exceptional. What a catch. Full marks. The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. Batsman takes the long walk back to the pavilion. This could well be the catch of the match. Fabulous diving catch. The bowler is fired up, looks good to get another scalp. Now that struck beautifully. Terrific shot that. That ball deserved a boundary. The crowd is enjoying every bit of this action. Good shot for a single.